Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its power sliding rear doors. You also have your backup camera and your heated front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna LE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a look just over on the side here, you are going to see your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And I'm just going to quickly show you what the second row looks like here. So if we take a look just in the second and third row windows there, you are going to see the sunshade visors in there. Not only that, but you do have the 2 rows I should say, with 3 seats in the second row as well as in the third row. But later on I'll actually show you that you can actually take out that middle seat there and place it in the back. Now if we take a look just on the inside here, you are going to see your close button for the door. Now parents, if you're worried about your kids accidentally getting their hand or arm jammed into the door, it does have the jam protection, so in the event that the door does sense there is an obstruction in the way, then the door will open itself back up automatically. And to close it back up just from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is blue. Now to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your gray cloth interior seat surfaces with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left hand side, you have your traction control on and off, as well as some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your window locks, power locks, window controls both your front and rear windows, along with your mirror controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control scroll function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, and then over on your right hand side you'll find your scroll function with your lane departure alert and cruise control. Now taking a look at the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there. So you have a digital speedometer with a distance to empty, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now you can also take a look at your audio as well as your lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings for your ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and your settings menu. And if you take a look at the very top of the screen, you'll see an exterior temperature gauge. And if we take a look now just at the center dash as well as the touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options, which include a digital clock, and then with your home screen you have that nice split view with your fuel economy, audio, and your Bluetooth. If you head into the menu screen there, you're going to find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now when you go inside the apps menu, it's all part of the Entune app suite. So as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display, making things much easier for you when you're trying to find your next destination. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now you do have the dual zone climate control settings with your rear temperature controls located down below, mounted to an automatic transmission, and down below you'll see your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and auxiliary input and your 2 power outlets. Now if we take a look just at the very top here, you're going to see your open and close for your power sliding rear doors along with your SOS Safety Connect. So in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure that you're alright. Now you also have that auto dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. And then just to show you what your backup camera is going to look like, I'm just going to throw this into reverse for you. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're trying to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back of your tailgate, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side and your rear hatch release located underneath your Sienna emblem. Now I'm just going to close in the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much room there is. Now over on that right-hand side, you are going to see that power outlet, and then over on the left, this is where you'll store your middle seat from your second row, just in case you aren't using it. Now, the nice thing with these third row seats is a 60-40 split, and you can actually fold the seats down into the floor, just in case you have some cargo that you need to place in the back there. But all you have to do to actually fold down the seats is just push on this piece right here. It'll fold the headrests down, and then if you pull on this middle piece right here, it'll fold the seats down into the floor. Make sure you just pull up this flaps just so it's nice and flat, and then that way the cargo will remain that way. Now, if you forget how these seats actually fold or unfold, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat there. But all you want to do is just pull on this piece here, make sure the flap is up, and then make sure this locks itself into place first before pulling on this piece to tilt it back to the desired position. Now, the reason why I say desired position is that you can actually tilt it back a little bit farther, just so you're a little bit more comfortable on the ride. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.